Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating both the Pico 4 and Virtual Desktop app so you avoid compatibility problems. Once done, connect the headset to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or plug a USB-C link cable for wired streaming. Wired lowers latency. Next, install and run Virtual Desktop Streamer on your PC and sign in with the same account you use on the headset. This authenticates and initiates pairing. Make sure your PC's GPU drivers are current so encoding works smoothly. Once paired, fine-tune streaming settings so performance matches your hardware. In the Streamer app, set a sensible bitrate, pick a resolution that your GPU can sustain, and enable ASW or reprojection if available to smooth motion. Select hardware encoder such as NVENC to reduce CPU overhead, and set target FPS 72 or 90, depending on content. Also make sure Windows Firewall allows the Streamer app. Enclose large background apps. This reduces stutter and prevents packet loss. You're ready to stream. Launch the VR title or desktop mode inside the Pico 4 and press Stream to connect to your PC. Monitor the performance overlay to watch FPS, bitrate, and latency, and make incremental changes if you see drops. If you get connection drops or high latency, try switching to a wired USB-C link, change the router's 5 GHz channel to avoid interference, or restart the Virtual Desktop Streamer service on the PC. These steps solve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.